Machakos County.
Gavanas ogolo ywak kaluwore gi deko mar omenda mowinjore chopnegi kowuok e piny owacho mamalo.
Gavanas okoni kaonti ni kamarach kaluwore ni gisebedo ka gikwayo hola mondo gitaa godo chenro mag kaonti.
Bende gisewo piny owacho kuom rem chwalo omenda go ma bende miyo gi tich matek e chulo osara mag jotije.
Gichulo jotich kendo gisebedo ka gitiyo gi hola ka koro gisewo sirkand piny owacho mamalo kuom deko chiwo negi omenda.
Possibly, if there is no money, 2, 3, actually 3, 4 months down the line, what do you do? You have no money, you can't pay salaries, people will put down the tools and they'll walk home. That's what we are looking at. It's going to happen. As we stand now, we are struggling to access the money which was released for December. Therefore, January, there is no release, February, no release, February, no release, and the same.
We received our December disbursement last month. We received it last month, our December disbursement. We have services that we've been rendering and we continue to render. We rendered services in December for which we had not been given money, January, February, and March.